Sketching and engineering go hand in hand. It is the first step within the design process and something every designer should do. Like many professions, you don't just jump into a project without any planning or thought. You have to think through it first. Thinking is directly correlated to drawing. Thinking can begin with nothing more than a simple sketch that is later developed into something more. With the advancement of technology, engineering and design has moved into the digital world. However, sketching will always remain an important part of the design and development process. While agreeing that these digital tools certainly make our jobs easier and more productive, there's something liberating about the process of exploring an idea with ink and paper. Furthermore, it's harder to master a drawing digitally before mastering it manually. And when I mean sketching, it's much more than a scribble on a piece of paper. It's a powerful process that aids in discovering the best ideas and solutions to a design problem. Whether I'm sketching an idea for a new ramp I want to build, or if I'm sketching an idea down for a piece of furniture, it always kind of helps me communicate those ideas that I have in my mind back to myself. It really helps solving the initial design problems or working through ideas and details. It helps me convey ideas, demonstrate the functionality, visualize the user flow, and illustrate anything else that requires interaction. It assists in discovering the potential issues and solutions early on. Not only that, sketching pushes the extract numerous ideas out quickly before you enter into the digital world. It explores and explains design concepts and will always be a beneficial tool. Some of the benefits of sketching, I think it actually saves time in the workflow process. I think it helps eliminate layout and functionality issues. It's a great brainstorming tool, and anyone can do it. Sketching has always been one of the profession's core skills, and it should remain that way because it's probably some of the best ideas start with a sketch. It comes with practice, and you're going to find your groove. And when you do, you'll start to have confidence in your ability. So here's a couple of quick sketch tips for you. So try not to move your pencil by bending your wrist or your elbow. One of the most important things when starting to sketch is to not move your pen or pencil by bending your wrist or elbow. Instead, lock those out. Find a comfortable angle and only move the entire arm when sketching. This is going to give you much straighter lines. And when you get better and more comfortable, you can begin to relax that position. Second one, take control. Position your hand at the end of the pencil and gain more control and precision. This will also produce darker markings. On the other hand, positioning your hand further up the pencil makes you less in control, producing lighter markings. The third one I have for you guys is diversify your lines. So, to make an interesting, lively sketch, try to use a variety of lines by shifting from thick to thin lines from light to dark shades. This can be challenging a bit at the beginning, but you can master it by practicing using different pencil grades and holding your pencil at different angles. Keep in mind that you have line weight to help convey depth to your sketch. If you want to produce dynamic, unique drawings, go for the irregular lines. They can turn dull and smooth sketches into very interesting ones. The fourth tip I have for you is add a little texture to it. Okay folks, what I want you to do today is to choose 5 kitchen utensils to draw. Now remember, you have to put these back when you're done. These 5 kitchen utensils need to be communicated what they look like. So I'm looking for you to communicate those from a side view, a top view, and an isometric view. This drawing indicates a top view up in the upper left, a side view, and a front view. Now off to the upper right hand corner is an isometric view where you see all three views. Now these are very quick sketches. So 3 to 5 minutes per sketch, 3 sketches per utensil. I'm looking at 5 different utensils that I want you to look at tonight. These sketches are meant to be very quick. I really want you to try and find the line of what you're looking at while you're drawing. You can use your iPad or you can use a piece of paper and sketch right onto that piece of paper. Take a picture of what you've drawn and send it off. Thanks, guys.